Okay, so basically we're doing the same thing using top bottom both in 0. So start with the top, set it equal to 0. So the top gives us our x-intercepts, setting it equal to 0. So 12x times x plus 2 equals 0. So that gives me x equals 0 and x equals negative 2. So our x-intercepts are at 0, 0, and negative 2, 0. And since I have 0, 0 as an x-intercept, I know my y-intercept is the same, 0, 0. Then the bottom. The bottom gives us our vertical asymptotes. So setting it equal to 0, 4 times x minus 6, x plus 4 equal to 0. This doesn't give me any, so 4 equal to 0 does not give me any vertical asymptotes, just my positive 6 and my negative 4. So my vertical asymptotes are x equals 6 and x equals negative 4. And then I deal with both. Both gives me my horizontal asymptotes. So I look at the powers of the top. So when I FOIL it out, I get 12x squared, because this term times that term, over this times that, which is going to be 4x squared. Since my powers are the same, I look at my coefficients. So I get 12 over 4, which is 3. So my horizontal asymptote is at y equals 3. And on the second one, using the same idea, so we start with the top, set it equal to 0. That's my x-intercepts. My x-intercepts are at 2 and 6. Then we look at the bottom, set the bottom equal to 0. That gives me my vertical asymptotes at x equals 4, x equals 7, and x equals negative 3. Then we look at both. So the top, we get x squared. On the bottom, we get x cubed. That'll tell me my horizontal asymptote. Since it's bigger on bottom, automatically I'm at 0, y equals 0. And then last, I plug in 0 for my x, so f of 0. And you're going to get negative 2 times negative 6 on top, negative 4 times negative 7 times 3. So you're going to get positive 12 on top, right? And on the bottom, you're going to get positive 84, which reduces down to 1 over 8. There is an easier way of doing that from the get-go. If you wanted to, you could have actually divided this one by 2 and this one by 2, like that, and divided this one by 3 and this one by 3. And then you could have divided this one by 2 and that one by 2, which would have given you 1 over 7. And that's your answer. 0, 1 over 7.